What up, my turn it into Mo fam? This your boy Southside Black. Turn it into Mo. I want to come on here today and make a quick video talking about 3 reasons why rappers go broke. Mostly rappers, but some celebrities too. You know what I'm saying? Because of the lifestyle or whatever. But we got other celebrities that go broke too. But 3 reasons why rappers go broke. You know what I'm saying? They get this money in. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to maintain their money and you know what I'm saying, manage their money, handle their money. They don't know how to keep it. You know what I'm saying? So without too much more being said, let's get into the video. Turn it into Mo. Turn it into Mo. Stack it, flip it, turn it into Mo. La. Go get that dough and we gon' turn it into Mo. We up at store and we gon' turn it into Mo. We make that cash flow and then we turn it into Mo. No, we ain't running low cause we gon' turn it into Mo. Now, reason number one is simply because they don't save money. You know what I'm saying? They don't put money up and save money, you know what I'm saying, to make sure they straight for a certain period of time or none of that, you know what I'm saying? They just assume that, the money gonna keep coming in and so they keep going out, coming in, keep going out. And if you don't, you know what I'm saying, if you spending more than you make, you know what I'm saying, or you spending everything that you make, you know what I'm saying, like you destined to be broke, you know what I'm saying? If everything, a majority of your money, you steady spending it, you know what I'm saying? You make, let's just say you, as a rapper, you just make 50,000, 100,000 a month, 100,000 a month, but you spending 98 grand a month. You destined to be broke, man. You know what I'm saying? One little accident, one little slip up, and you know what I'm saying, you in a bad situation. And especially if you don't have like income producing assets, you know what I'm saying, that cover your expenses and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Anything happen, you in a bad situation, man. You know what I'm saying? You might be getting put out your big mansion, or you know what I'm saying, if you ain't been bought your car, you might be getting it repoed. It's a lot, you know what I'm saying? If you don't have money saved up, you know what I'm saying, income producing assets, you know what I'm saying, rappers be putting themselves in a bad situation. Not just rappers, but a lot of people, but we talking about rappers, you know what I'm saying? And, speaking of income producing assets, that bring me to my second reason. Now, my second reason, and these not really in no specific order, because this second reason could really be the main reason. But the second reason is because they don't invest. You know what I'm saying? They spend, and that's all they know how to do. That's all they know how to do is just spend. They don't invest nothing, and they rely on one source of income, and that's music from their career. I mean, money from their music career. My bad. So, when the money gets to slowing up from the music, you know what I'm saying, they don't have nothing that they could, pay their bills with and stuff like that because of the money slowing up. They ain't getting as much money. So they really can't afford that lifestyle no more. You know what I'm saying? And them not being able to afford that lifestyle, they put them in trouble to where they gotta sell certain things and deflate their lifestyle and stuff like that, downgrade and stuff. That's when you go to hearing about rappers falling off and this and that, you know what I'm saying? They don't invest their money into no type of assets, you know what I'm saying? They just rely on that one source of income that's from the music. And if that starts slowing down, or when that starts slowing down, it be pretty much over with for them. You know what I'm saying? They thought it was gonna come forever, get show money forever, and all this and that, you know what I'm saying? But when it don't even have to stop completely, just slow down to where they're making, let's just say 100 grand a month at first. Now they down to 50 grand, and they got all these bills and all this and the stuff they gotta pay. You know what I'm saying? They got 40 something, 50 something grand in bills.
Hey, even more probably. It's 80 grand in bills. Ain't no telling. Then, yeah, you put yourself in a bad situation. You know what I'm saying? And these just example. I don't know how much these rappers' expenses and stuff be. You know what I'm saying? But I know they like a lot of exotic stuff and luxury stuff. You know what I'm saying? Now speaking of luxury stuff and exotic stuff, that bring me to my third reason. They spend money on high end consumer based products. You know, designer clothes, jewelry, exotic cars, big mansions and stuff that they don't really need. You want to come up and stuff, and you spending your advance money on big mansions and stuff like it don't be adding up. You know what I'm saying? You spending money on exotic cars. You got $1 million, you buying a $200,000 car. You know, paying. Ain't no telling how much you paying for a house if you what it is you mortgaging it out or whatever you buying it and paying a mortgage. And even if you buying it out, you know what I'm saying, you go to spending all kind of money, but you know what I'm saying, you don't really have it to spend. Like, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta advance or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Even if you didn't, man, like, you spending all this money, if you spending more than you make a month, you know what I'm saying, you destined to be broke. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, but especially you spending money on consumer based items. You know what I'm saying? This stuff ain't gonna bring you no kind of value. It's just gonna make you look good. That's it. But it ain't bringing you no kind of money. You know what I'm saying? No kind of money. You want to live in a big stupid mansion when you could have bought a nice size house in a decent neighborhood and bought you some rental properties and stuff with the other money. You know what I'm saying? Left over. But you want to live in a big stupid mansion. You know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta have a turn it into more mindset. You know what I'm saying? You really want to survive and maintain out here and really come up. You know what I'm saying? You can't be out here spending all your money on a lifestyle that you really can't afford. You know what I'm saying? Make yourself afford that lifestyle first, if anything. You know what I'm saying? Acquire you some income producing assets and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying like rappers no don't spend no money, this and that, you can't buy stuff, you know what I'm saying, as a rapper. Of course, you know what I'm saying, live your life, enjoy your money with this and that. But have your priorities in line. You know what I'm saying? Have your priorities in line. Like, for example, you just got $1 million advance, pretty much a loan from the label. You know what I'm saying? Don't go blowing your loan on consumer based items. You know what I'm saying? Cars and big houses and all this and that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Jewelry and all this and that stuff. You want to come up, you know what I'm saying? You got to save you some, invest you some, you know what I'm saying? That way, you know, you make sure you straight, you know what I'm saying? Regardless, you know what I'm saying? The money slow up, or, you know what I'm saying? Money ain't coming in as fast enough, you know what I'm saying, as you expect. You know what I'm saying? You making sure you straight, you know what I'm saying? And you got to keep your expenses low, you know what I'm saying? Keep your expenses low and don't do too much unnecessary spending, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, it just really like common sense on something. But nowadays common sense ain't common. You know, they say common sense ain't common. And it's true. And, you know, rappers, they gonna get certain royalties and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But ain't no telling how much and how long, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna last, depending on how good of an artist you be and how successful you is in your career and stuff like that. Ain't no telling how long that's gonna last, you know what I'm saying? And, when rappers not smart with their money, you know what I'm saying, they be depending on the label to pay them, you know what I'm saying? That's what really make them a slave to money, you know what I'm saying? And they be, pretty much willing to do whatever, even things that's beyond their morals and principles, what they believe in and stuff. They be willing to do this type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because they be needing to pay their bills, and they gotta feed their family and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And that's a scary situation, you know what I'm saying? You pretty much, you're still a slave to money. You just it just on a bigger scale, you know what I'm saying? Just as if you had a job. You know what I'm saying? When you just depending on a label to pay you, you know what I'm saying? And you don't have nothing else going on, you just relying on that. You know what I'm saying? That's scary. So, if you a rapper out there and you getting some money, you know what I'm saying? Save some of that money and definitely invest some of that money, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't go spending all the money and, you know what I'm saying, trying to look fly and this and that, you know what I'm saying? You could do it, but you gotta make sure your part is in line. You know what I'm saying? You gotta invest. You gotta save something. Make sure you're good, you heard me? Secure yourself, secure your family, secure the bag. You hear me? Make sure you straight, man. You can't be spending all your paper. You know what I'm saying? Invest. Look into income producing assets. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna make this video too long though, you hear me? Like, this your boy Southside Black. I just, I wanted to come on here and share that today because that's what I feel, you know what I'm saying, was on my heart to share, you know what I'm saying, with my people, you know what I'm saying, with my Turn It Into Mo family. And, give some advice to these rappers out here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, right, currently, y'all might, have a bigger bag than me, you know what I'm saying? But I have a lot more knowledge than you guys, apparently, you know what I'm saying, than most of you guys, you know what I'm saying? And, like I say, I just like to share the knowledge, you know what I'm saying, that I have to help people, you know what I'm saying? Not try to be like, oh, I'm better than this person, I'm better, we all equal, you know what I'm saying? But, like I say, with when I be with the shirt that I made, I'm not average, you know what I'm saying? I don't think and do things like the majority of people do, you know what I'm saying? I think different, I do things differently, you know what I'm saying? In a unique way. I don't do things the majority of people do, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I be meaning about I'm not average, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna catch me thinking like the majority of people, you know what I'm saying? It's very few people who think the way I do. I don't know too many people. If anybody, you know what I'm saying, I probably know a couple people that's like in the industry, you know what I'm saying, that's big and got money and stuff, that think like I do, you know what I'm saying? It's not too many people that think the way I do, you know what I'm saying? Even when just not money, like even when it come to making music, creating music, me as an artist and me as a person, and the way, I feel like, we supposed to live our life and stuff. Don't too many people think like I think and do the things that I do. I'ma keep it at that, you know what I'm saying? But this your boy Southside Black, you hear me? Y'all, don't forget to like the video, share this video with a friend who may need it, a rapper that's getting a little money. Share this video with them, man. Help them out, you know what I'm saying? And, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. And definitely, don't forget to turn it into Mo.
We up and going, we gon' turn it into Mo. We make the cash flowing, then we turn it into Mo. Nowhere running low, cause we gon' turn it into Mo. Yeah, all I know is stack it, flip it. I told them I ain't got it, now they